Hi, I'm Allison Sloan Polish, founder and principal designer of Sloan Polish Design. As a working mom of 3 teenage boys, I know firsthand the importance of well-functioning space. A space that not only functions beautifully, but also keeps the family sane, productive, and wanting to be together. Everybody deserves a place that functions well and makes them feel great when they're in it. I love to partner with homeowners on helping them love where they live. Whether that means staying in place and doing a small refresh or building a whole new home like the gorgeous client home I'm in today. In new builds, I like to work with homeowners on everything from the outset, from reviewing architectural plans and thinking through furniture layouts, to making selections on plumbing and light fixtures, tile and flooring, and paint, to furnishing the home and even consulting on landscaping plans as well. For other projects, we might just engage with furniture selection and purchasing only. As much or as little as the client needs, you set the course. I know my clients likely don't love design and renovating as much as I do, but I'm determined to make the process as positive, rewarding, and fun as possible. I approach every project with a fresh eye and a personal approach. Through an initial conversation, I learn how your space needs to function and feel, and this is my jumping off point. The biggest compliment I can get is when my client says to me, the space feels just like us. Are you ready to love where you live? I look forward to getting to know you and seeing how I can help bring your home dreams to life.